Welcome to the course of Web Technology. I am Ruksha Sen, the guide and the lecturer of this particular course. So first of all, at first, we have to know what is web technology. Web technology refers to the means by which computers communicate with each other using markup languages and multimedia packages. At the right side of this slide, you can see there are various web technology tools, languages. First of all, it's a open source. It involves Java, PHP, Bootstrap 3, databases. It is also involves brackets, notes, etc. It gives us a way to interact with hosted information like websites. Web technology involves the use of hypertext markup language (HTML) and cascading style sheets (CSS). So first of all, we have to know what is HTML. At the before slide, you have understood that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML, that means the Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It will help you to design a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. In the latter sections, we will describe all the elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. That means each and every element of HTML, hypertext markup language, consists different types of features that will help you how to display the content in a particular web page. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. In the latter sections, we will describe you all the elements of HTML language. So, introduction to HTML. So, we will discuss in this particular lecture the basic HTML document. At first, the very basic tag you have to know to execute a web page, HTML tag. It starts with angular bracket HTML and ends with /HTML, open angular bracket and closing angular bracket. The next important and the most important tag is head tag. So after HTML tag, the head tag comes next, which contains all the header information like the title of the web page, the stylings of the web page. If there are any JavaScript code, it also includes it. So HTML head tag contains all the header information of the web page or document. As I said, the title of the page and other miscellaneous information. We will gradually know all the tags under head tag. This information are enclosed within head tag, which opens with within angular bracket head and ends with /head within angular bracket. The contents of this tag will be explained in the latter sections of this course, obviously. So after head tag, or we can say under head tag, the very basic tag is title. We can mention the title of a web page using the title tag. This is a header information and hence mentioned within the header tags. the tag begins with title within angular brackets and ends with /title within angular bracket. After head section, the very basic and most important tag is the body tag. So body tag contains all the tags of a particular web page. The body tag contains the actual body of the page, which will be visible to all the users. This opens with body within angular bracket and ends with /body within angular bracket. Every content enclosed within this tag will be shown on the web page, be it writings or images or audios or videos or even links. We will see later, of course, in the section how using various tags we may insert mentioned contents into our web pages. So this is the very basic code. This code will not display anything in the web page, but it will include the title of the web page. And as you can see, under head tag and under body tag, there are some lines. Includes that information about the page. This is the comment tag, contents of the web page. So basically, these are the comment tags in a HTML. Like in other languages, for programmer understanding, programmer can use the comment lines. In HTML as well, we have comment tag, and it does not read the line present inside the tag. That means in the web page, this particular lines will not be displayed, but for programmer understanding, he or she can use this comment tags. And it starts with definitely angular bracket, exclamation, dash dash, and ends with dash dash angular bracket. And this is a not this is not includes any open tag or any close tag. As we can see in head, body and HTML, it does not include any open tag or any close tag. You can say it is an empty tag. Okay, so before saying thank you, I will like to show you this particular code and the outcome of this code. Okay, so for that we have to go the Notepad++. One second, it will gradually open. Definitely, as you can see, there are various HTML codes I have written in Notepad++ editor. So this is a particular editor I used to prefer, but you can use many of many of editor for designing a web page. There are brackets, there are different kinds of you can also use simple notepad. Okay, so I have just pressed Ctrl N in the Notepad++, so a new file will be opened. You can also start with this like file new, and new file will be opened. Okay, so the very basic tag is the HTML tag, and as you opened a tag, you have to close it, otherwise you will forget it and it will show error. Okay, so under HTML head tag, so I will close it, and under head tag there is title tag. Okay, title, I I missed the T. Okay, so title. As you can see, if you press tab, the title will be added. Okay, so my first web page. Okay, like this. And body, we will not write anything in the body. First of all, we will create a web page. That's it. We'll put some comment lines over there. Body section. Okay, insert like this. So far you can see that there is no color. Okay, and there is a red sign over here. You have not saved it, so press Ctrl S. I prefer always keyboard shortcuts. You can use your mouse as well. Okay, so in the desktop I will save it like what, so day one, so day one. And don't forget to give the extension .html, or else you can also choose over here the file type like this. Okay, and save it. Now after saving it, the blue sign, and for all the tags, this is one of the features of Notepad++, where all the tags are in the blue color and the comment lines are in the green color. And if you add any attribute, we will see gradually in our next sessions. In attributes, you will see the red color. Okay, so we have saved it. Now we will just open our desktop and click on the right click and open with Firefox or Google. It's the same. I prefer always Chrome. Okay, so now we can see that the particular web page day1.html has been opened, and you can see the parts. Okay, and this called title, my first web page. Okay, so local or shared file, because this is a local server. If you got offline, you can also able to say this because it's running on a local server. Okay, so for now, thank you so much for attending this lecture. We will see you on the next lecture. Thank you.